Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix your Google Photos when the face recognition is not working. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, open up your Google's Photo app, or you can directly open it from the browser. So just search up for Google Photos and then just click on the site or open your app directly. And then what you want to do now is go to your settings for your Google's Photos. So you will find the settings icon right there, and then what you want to do is just scroll down until you see group similar faces. So just click on this arrow right here that says show more, and then make sure that see photos of your favorite people grouped by similar faces is checked on. So if it's not checked, just click on check, and then once you're done checking it, you are now done. So all you have to do now is just wait until Google Photos updates the faces in your app. So yeah, that is how you fix the Google Photos face recognition not working.